Adverbs of present, continuous manner, time, frequency, and degree are like the secret spices that add flavor to our sentences. They give us the juicy details we need to paint a vivid picture of what's happening. Let's dive into each of these adverbs and see how they work their magic. First up, we have adverbs of manner. These little guys tell us how an action is being done. Are you running quickly, slowly, or gracefully? Adverbs of manner give us the scoop on the style of the action. They add that extra oomph to our descriptions, making them pop with personality. Next, we have adverbs of time. These gems tell us when an action is taking place. Are you dancing now, later, or always? Adverbs of time help us understand the timing of events, allowing us to create a timeline in our sentences. They keep us on track and ensure we're not lost in a sea of confusion. Moving on to adverbs of frequency. These bad boys reveal how often an action is happening. Are you jogging daily, rarely, or occasionally? Adverbs of frequency give us the lowdown on the repetition of actions, helping us establish routines or irregularities in our narratives. They keep things interesting and prevent monotony from creeping in. Last but not least, we have adverbs of degree. These powerhouses show us the intensity or extent of an action. Are you singing loudly, softly, or passionately? Adverbs of degree crank up the volume on our descriptions, allowing us to convey emotions and emphasis in our sentences. They add depth and dimension to our words, making them resonate with the listener. So there you have it, the fantastic four of adverbs in the present continuous tense. Manner, time, frequency, and degree work together harmoniously to elevate our sentences and make them shine. By mastering these adverbs, we can craft compelling stories, engaging dialogues, and captivating narratives that keep our audience hooked from start to finish.